Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some cloudy conditions across the region currently, seeing a few rain showers out there as well. Going to see those rain shower chances best this morning, and then we'll see a chance at some isolated showers in the afternoon hours. And we'll see our best chance of rainfall next 24 hours coming this evening into the overnight hours, with chances of rainfall as well as a slight chance of a thunderstorm. Looks like we'll see about a half an inch to maybe 3/4 of an inch of rainfall tonight, so a fairly good rainmaker across the region. Overall for today, though, no chances of lightning, just seeing those chances of rain showers this morning and then isolated rain showers for the afternoon hours. Taking a look at our sounding from this morning, a freezing level at 7,800 feet, winds out of the south around 20 knots in the low levels and increasing and becoming westerly at 40 knots at 12,000 feet, then continuing out of the west and peaking at 74 knots at 25,000 feet this morning. Taking a look at our current surface analysis, we have an area low pressure that's going to be tracking from the Gulf Coast states towards our region for tonight. We have a weak boundary moving through this morning that's giving us some rain showers across the area, and we'll continue to see this area low pressure track towards the region for tonight, then move off the coast for our Wednesday afternoon. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see cloud cover across the region, giving us those overcast conditions currently. Taking a look at the radar, we do have those showers moving in from the west. It's going to be continuing to move through the area this morning. Looks like we'll have that chance of rainfall this morning through about 11 to 12 o'clock, and then we'll see those chances become slight for the afternoon hours or just isolated, and then we'll see the better chance of rainfall, as I mentioned, come after 8 o'clock this evening. And taking a look at the HRRR, it's kind of the drive reflectivity kind of pinpoint the best chances of some rainfall today. Here you're seeing a chance around 11 o'clock and then moving off the coast by noon, and then by the afternoon hours, just a slight chance of an isolated shower. And moving in the evening hours after 8 o'clock, you can see here the HRRR brings in the rainfall around 10 o'clock this evening or 2200 local. Some of the other models are indicating we could have a rain shower before 8 o'clock this evening. But overall, looks like those best chances are coming for the late evening hours. And then for the overnight hours, you can see an area low pressure tracks along the Virginia, North Carolina border. Yesterday, it looked like that low could track just north of us. Today, it looks like it's going to track just south of us. So our thunderstorm chances are tampered just a bit at 30%, and going to see just that a slight chance of seeing a thunderstorm across the region for the overnight hours. And then for our Wednesday, going to see a good amount of cloudiness across the region. It looks like right now we're going to have low cloudiness across the area in the morning hours, then mostly cloudy conditions in the afternoon. We'll see slightly breezy winds in the morning, possibly seeing wind gusts of 25 knots in the morning, and then during Wednesday afternoon should see some peaks of sunshine, but with that cloud cover in here, that'll keep our temperatures capped in the 60s. And then for Thursday, it looks like we're going to have another boundary or cold front move towards the region. That's going to give us a chance of showers and thunderstorms. And looks like those chances will become likely during the afternoon on Thursday. So taking a look at the European model for the next few days, those rain showers move through for today and then likely tonight with a chance of a thunderstorm. And then Wednesday we'll see low cloudiness continuing across the region, especially in the first half of the day. And then for Thursday we'll see more low cloudiness, chances of showers and thunderstorms. Looks like we'll have a little bit of a warm-up during the early afternoon on Thursday before we see that cold front moves through the region. That'll allow us to see temperatures, in the upper 60s possible across the area. Can't rule out some low 70s if we do see a few more breaks of sunshine than is currently projected. And then for Friday, we're going to have additional disturbance moving through the region for Friday afternoon. That's going to give us another chance of some showers, even an isolated thunderstorm across the region for Friday. And then for Saturday, it looks like finally we'll see some drier conditions, a very slight chance of seeing a shower here at Wallops, or a slight chance, I should say, only about 20% chance with a brief sprinkle possible Saturday afternoon. And Sunday, things really start to dry out. We'll see some breezy conditions, cooler weather for this time of year, temperatures in the low 50 for highs, so about 10 degrees below normal. And then for Monday, it looks like we'll see the start of a warming trend across the region, with expecting temperatures by the middle of next week to be about 10 to 15 degrees above average. So looking at our risk chart for today, we'll see a high around 63, a low this evening around 56, and then temperatures rising near 60 by tomorrow morning. we'll see those rain showers in here this morning, and then only isolated chance for the afternoon hours. Better chance once we move past 1700 local, and the best chance after 8 o'clock, as I've mentioned several times. Looking at our winds today, we'll see southeasterly winds 5 to 10 knots, increasing to around 7 to 12 knots during the late afternoon. And then by the evening into the overnight hours, we'll see gusty winds up to 23 knots, south becoming southwesterly, sustained to 9 to 14 knots. We'll have low clouds in the region tomorrow morning, as well as that 30% chance of lightning from midnight to 6 a.m. So looking at our 24-hour terminal forecast, going to see ceilings around 2,500 feet to 3,000 feet, looks like, throughout much of the day today. Could see a few more peaks of sunshine with some filtered sunshine for the afternoon hours as that boundary lifts north of our region, but still that slight chance of a rain shower. And continuing through the overnight hours, we'll see low clouds build in the region, and by tomorrow morning, expecting an overcast deck around 500 feet, reduced visibilities as well down to 4 miles with some mist in the area. Our tides are running normal. Looking at Wednesday and Thursday. Wednesday, low clouds, a chance of patchy drizzle during the morning, and mostly cloudy overcast in the afternoon. Slightly breezier in the morning, high 64 degrees. Looks like those winds should gust around 22, 23 knots, so just below that 25 knot criteria. So going with the yellow here, 20% chance of violating or being above 25 knots. We'll see ceilings below 500 feet in the morning, looks likely, and a slight chance of seeing a shower or some patchy drizzle across the area after 8 a.m. on Wednesday morning. For Wednesday night, we'll see cloudy skies, slightly breezy winds, low clouds and patchy fog likely. We'll see a chance of rain showers and a very slight chance of thunderstorm by dawn. On low of 51, looks like those low clouds are going to be in here with a red condition for ceilings below 500 feet. And for Thursday, we'll see cloudy conditions, rain showers likely, and a good chance of a thunderstorm. Low clouds likely, especially in the morning, a high of 67 degrees. We'll see our rain shower and thunderstorm chances in the orange category here, looking like shower chances around 70%, thunderstorm chances around 50%, and orange once again for the ceilings. Shouldn't be a rain out on Thursday, but we'll see periods of showers and chances of thunderstorms throughout the day. So for the next 7 days, we'll see those rain shower chances today, 100% chance of rain tonight. That should end before dawn tomorrow with only some patchy drizzle after dawn. And then we'll see temperatures in the lower to mid-60s for Wednesday. Thursday, mid-upper 60s. Possibly, as I mentioned, could see a low 70 degree reading across the peninsula with that cold front approaching. 70% chance of rainfall, and looking like those thunderstorms around 50 to 60% right now. For Friday, 40% chance of a shower, a slight chance of a thunderstorm in the afternoon, high of 62. Saturday, high of 58, 20% chance of a brief sprinkle. And then for Sunday, looking like the coolest in the next 7 at 53, as well as the coolest morning low at 41. And then we'll see that warm-up start on Monday, high of expected of 68 degrees. And looking at the long range for next week, could be seeing some temperatures in the mid 70s to possibly upper 70s, so well above normal after we see some cooler weather this weekend. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today. Back tomorrow morning, 8:15 at 10 a.m.